Khuma isiqoko khuma kumakarapa amataconsela entshebeni ilephu. Siyaqandula namhlanje ke nayi indaba ka Secretary General. Man sithathe uComrade Nomvalo keeping kahlankahla yezincwadi ezishiye abantu bengazazi ukuthi bahleziphi, abanye abazazi noma basemnyango noma basendlini, abanye abazazi noma bahlezi ezihlalweni noma bahlezi ocansini. Inkinga lokhu kulandela umhlangano owaba khona ama-ground forces emasontweni ambalwa adlule la kwatshengisa khona ukungagculiseki ngendlela okuholwa ngayo. So izinguquko esezenziwe-ke manje hayi zinkinga kakhulu. Zaqala ngawo ukuthi kungena uSecretary General omusha hayi akashaneli unomuntu uphansi. Ukhiphe incwadi-ke namhlanje ezisuka emhlanganweni obubanjiwe la eThekwini mhla 22-23 ubanjwe la eThekwini. So nazi-ke incwadi ezikhulumayo, ziyayikhulumela-ke le incwadi. Lezi incwadi zikhuluma ngama-structure amasha azobhekana ngqo nokhetho. Manje-ke kubukeka sengathi zizoma i-structure bevele zikhona bese kuba khona i-structure lezi-ke zisikhashana ezizosebenza up until ukhetho lufika. Then-ke emva kokhetho sekuyobonakala ukuthi kwenzakalani. Nayi indaba ake sibambe lapho kwamanje ke silalela incazelo ukuthi thini incazelo. Comrade Mshipheni, Head of Security KZN, ne-member of National Security Umkhonto Wesizwe, aphinda abe member futhi ye-intelligence yomkhonto wesizwe. Sizwe ukuthi incazelo yakhe ithini beno Comrade Shenge wase Ward 3 kwenza Malembe Zone.
Commanders, morning basosha kaThambo, morning bafuthi Revolution. Morning mashoshozela umkhonto wesizwe. No, hayi maqabana siyilungise le. I-understanding yami all structures njobe suspendiwe. Hayi so abone emva kwama-election. But the principle ithi ama-election task team azokwakhiwa abantu abangekho kuma-structures. Abantu abazosilidela ama-election, abantu abangekho kuma-structures. I-understanding enginayo leyo njengamanje ukuthi all election task team will be people abangekho kuma-structures. Ngoba ama-structures akhona ukuthi asamisiwe abantu abahlale nama-position abo lapha babuyele kuma-VD bayosebenzela umkhonto kuyothi emva kwama-election kube organization edecidayo ukuthi kwenzakalani. But njengamanje i-understanding ukuthi abantu abazosilidela ama-election are people who are not on structures. That the understanding. Maqabana akusetshenzela umkhonto, awuwini umkhonto kubo bonke omasipala. Every comrade akabuyela yosebenzela umkhonto ngendlela umkhonto osithuma ukuthi sisebenze ngayo and siwinise. Ngifisa ukclarify leyo nje maqabane ukuthi umkhonto awuwine and umkhonto owabantu and umkhonto uyithemba labantu. Yilokho nje maqabane. Nibe nosuku oluhle malunga kaNxamalala ingane kaMsholozi. Asibambe nje sizabalaze sivikele umkhonto. Siuvikele umkhonto maqabane. Nibe nosuku oluhle ngibonge.
No asibonge leader. Into engicabanga ukuthi lencwadi iyayichaza maqabane noma isinika i-direction kuyona ukuthi as much as it was temporarily suspended, okusho ukuthi from now kuze kuyofika kuma-election angikwazi ukwenza umsebenzi on my capacity as a coordinator. So I'm suspended. Lokho kungenza ukuthi kulesi sikhathi ngingabe ucoordinator noma ngingasebenzi on my capacity as a coordinator or on my capacity as a chairperson, because there are people that are going to be appointed abazobe besebenza udaba lokhetho. So I am going to do ama duties organization as a member of umkhonto wesizwe. I can use my experience as a coordinator or as a convener, but I can't say izinto fanele zidlule kumina ngokwe-ofisi lami ebengikulo elisuspendiwe, because as much as kuyi-temporary suspension, but for lesi sikhathi until ukhetho angikwazi uku-exercise any duties ebenginazo as u-coordinator ngoba zisuspendiwe. Akube clear lokho ukuthi we are no longer coordinators and conveners until kufika ukhetho, but we are workers of umkhonto wesizwe or members of umkhonto wesizwe, soldiers of umkhonto wesizwe ayosebenzela ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe win ama-award, working with the team that is going to be appointed azobizwa ngama-elections team. I think ikliye kanjalo ukuthi it is suspended for the time being, and nobody is allowed to exercise i-authority yakhe yokuthi uwu-coordinator noma uwu-convener noma uwu-organizer noma uwu-treasurer during this time, because those duties or those tasks akade sinawo those positions are suspended kanye nama-positions. Those tasks are suspended. So okuwukuthi uma ucela kuthiwa yenza okuthile noma whatever that we are going to do now, sizobe sikwenza under i-guidance and instruction ye-election task team, yona enikwa amandla ukuthi isebenzisane nabantu bonke manje. All of us, we must go back to our wards, our VDs, and work for umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi win, but not as convener and coordinators, but as ground forces of umkhonto wesizwe noma as forces of umkhonto wesizwe. That's what I understand. But it is for a time being. Then after ama-election, inhlangano will give another correspondence with what is going to happen next. Remember, comrades, these positions were interim position. Inhlangano still needs to launch lokunjani. Still need to launch ama branches. So after ke ukhetho sizolinda futhi inhlangano ukuthi isho yona ukuthi what is going to happen next.
Office of the Secretary General. Guidelines for the establishment of provincial, regional and sub-regional election structures. Introduction. The National Official Meeting on 22nd and 23rd March 2026 took a formal resolution to collapse all formal provincial, regional and sub-regional leadership structures in the party and immediately replace them with a temporary election machinery at provincial, regional and sub-regional levels until at least 1 month after the 2026 local government elections. The elections machinery will focus solely on elections coordination, reporting directly to the Secretary General of the National Official Leadership Collective. The collapsing of formal leadership structures is a time-bound executive political intervention intended to allow the organization to direct all its energy, focus and resources towards a successful election programs for the 2026 local government elections. The following set of guidelines provide a procedural and substantive clarification for the establishment of elections machinery to drive a successful electoral campaign for Umkhonto wesizwe Party in the 2026 local government elections. Guidelines. Composition. A structure to be replicated at provincial, regional and sub-regional level. The compositions of the election structures is as follows. Elections convener, deputy elections convener, elections coordinator, deputy elections coordinator, elections organizer, elections fundraiser, elections spokesperson, elections security head, 7 additional members. Provincial election structures should be constituted by an equal proportional number of regional representatives, and when the number is uneven, preference for the remaining vacancy must be given to the biggest region in a province. Eligibility for participation and nomination to the election structure. Members in good standing. Proven record of active participation in MKP programs. Residents in the sub-region of the commission nominating must produce ID and proof of residence to access the meeting. The regional and sub-regional structures should comprise of the same number of members as the provincial structures. For an example, 15. The number of nominated members to regions should be proportionate to number of sub-regions in each region. Example, sub-region in a region should contribute equal numbers to the region. And in the event the number of sub-region is an uneven number, preference for the remaining vacancy must be given to the biggest sub-region in a region. Sub-regional commissions should also nominate members to serve in the provincial election structures proportionate to the number of sub-regions in a province.